This video brings 5 potential products to elevate your dropshipping business. The first one is the Campfire Flamefire Diffuser. To Google's search trend chart of this product shows a stable market demand. Its videos have received 1,000 likes from TikTok. Viewers could feedback from buyers guarantee long-term profitability. This item has a realistic campfire look and humidifying functions, meeting customers' demands for novel and multifunctional home products. Its convenient remote control and auto power off without water attract a wider customer base. The second recommendation is the Electric Sitters User. Its Google search trends indicate a steady sales market, gaining tens of thousands of views quickly on TikTok shows. This item contributes to dropshippers, attracting new users. It allows consumers to make various fresh juices, conveniently fulfilling diverse demands. High-quality materials ensure a longer life, making a competitive fan, building customer loyalty. The third one is the Washcloth Loofah combo. Its TikTok video data performance indicates a stable demand. With the towel's gentle cleansing and loofah's exfoliating, it meets all bathing needs. This product features a soft that generates rich foam. The 2-in-1 design is cost-effective and space-saving, catering to consumers' pursuit of practicality and affordability and making it easy to sell and promote. The next one is the Spiralizer Vegetable Slicer. The growing Google search trend chart shows his huge market demand. This item has gone viral on TikTok, amassing thousands of views and over 10,000 likes to sides. It is favored by families and the catering industry for its diverse cooking applications. This upgraded item is efficient in cutting vegetables and easy to handle and clean, which holds great appeal for busy modern consumers. Last one is the Reading Pillow. The growing Google search trend chart shows his huge market demand. It has impressive view counts on TikTok, attracting many potential new users. Featuring an ergonomic design with high-quality filling materials, it safeguards eyesight effectively and enhances reading comfort. Remarkably, recommend it to your customers with confidence.